Hello, Queen Squad. Namhlanje ngithe angiphekela abantu abami isigwaqane esinenyama. Ngiqale ngathela 3 cups of ubhontshisi, ngiyawukhetha kahle. Nangu kunodolo wami wokuqala ontomkulu uyangihlupha-ke manje. Kanti uyezwa naye untomncane ukuthi ngathi khona abakhuluma ngako ekhishini othi ngibone. Wavele weza-ke naye wazi ukuthi hello guys, guys. So ithi ngiqhubeke-ke nokukhetha ubhontshisi ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngipheke lo kudla. Oh my God, asinayo i-breakfast today, but-ke only God knows. Sengiqedile ukuwuklina, sengiwufake ebhodweni. It's either uyawusokha for ubusuku bonke, it's up to you. Because ngidecide namhlanje, that's why ngenza yonke into today. So ubhadlile-ke ngoba ngisebenzisa igesi kube easy as 1 2 3 ukuthi ubile ubhadle. Ngikhipha lamanzi lawa akhanda isilungulelo and then ngiwuphindisa ebhodweni to take another clean water ukuthi ubhadle again and again. Okay, I'm done with the beans. We will wait to be cooked. And now I'm washing the rice because I don't have time to sit down. I have to do this. Time is moving. I'm doing isigwaqane and I'm gonna add this rice to the beans. Okay, now guys, I'm going to add this rice I was washing outside to these beans. Yes, sipheka isigwaqane guys. Okay, now let's add 2 beef stock of Knorrox. Kuphuma kuwena ukuthi uzosipheka kanjani because igwaqana ayifani. Yes, that's all I can say because la endlini sisenza sithambe. That's why ngithela ne-turmeric, ngizothela ne-Lazen B. But now I'm going to add irama to make sure ukuthi siba another thing, the vavavum, ukuze wonke umuntu asiqede endlini. Uyayizwa loo nto leyo. Ungakhohlwa-ke, the miracle salt, the pink one that I'm selling, guys, I also use it every now and then. And then now I'm adding vinegar. Why I'm adding vinegar? It's because ngenzela ukuthi ungaqunjelwa. This is the Lazen B or Lazen B, I don't know. So guys, yeah, let's continue because I'm waiting and that's why I'm adding. We're going to make sure it's cookable. Okay guys, we are almost there. Njengoba ubona siyahlangana-ke manje isigwaqane sami. It's time-ke manje ukuthi silungise indaba yenyama. Ngifake ebhodweni nayo ngiyayibhadlisa kuqala. I'm adding the water to this meat and put it on the stove. Yes. Seyibhadlile seyi-right, ngiyayikhipha kula manzi then ngiyolungisa u-anyanisi. I'm cooking the meat. ngiphelele into zokupheka la ngizivezanga zonke. Sengifaka amafutha, ngifaka u-anyanisi, green pepper, garlic, lezi zinto ebengiy'qobe futhi nama-mixed veg. You can put it as I'm adding the spices and I'm adding the paste. Asifakeni-ke inyama le ebhodweni, u-ede-ke i-bay leaf, yes. Ngi-add amanzi and then after this I have to ukuthi ngiqobe utamatisi wami ithi ngiyowasha. Remember the pink salt that I'm selling. I'm adding this pink salt and I'm going to add this tomato. Now we are adding the soup. Uyabona-ke nawe as Queen Motivator, sesiqedile ukupheka. This is isigwaqane sami. Remember to subscribe and share the positive comment. Check my other videos. Thank you for watching. Yes, this is the meat.